In this video, we're going to have a look at adding pagination to our search results. So here in our search results, we had, say, beanie. And let's, for example, imagine that we had a lot of results and we want to include some pagination because we have a list that just seems to go on and on and on. So what's really great there is we can actually include pagination in our search results. To do that, we're going to head over to the facets in Piotnet Grid, and we're going to add a new facet and call that pagination. So let's add new, and we'll call that search pagination. We'll publish that. And then what we're going to do is we'll say edit with Piotnet Grid, and now we'll add the search facility. So we head over to facet, we add a facet, and then we head over here, and it's not a filter, it'll be a load. Facet action, and there you can see we have pagination, but what we can also do is make it more interesting by doing load more. So we can load more, or we could also have a post per page. So how many posts we would like, but in this case we're just going to have a look at how to add a load more. So there we have our load more button, and it's nicely centered, and we'll leave it at that for now. Then we'll hit save. And now what we're going to do is head over to the grid, and we'll go to the product search grid, and we're now going to apply the pagination to that grid. So edit with Piotnet, and now you'll see we actually need to add that in the template. So let's go to templates. There's the search template. We'll edit with Piotnet Grid, and once that loads, we'll access the facet and we'll add that to our grid view. So there's the facet. Let's add it there, and we're going to do the search pagination, and it will apply to the grid, the product search grid. So the pagination is going to apply to this grid, and let's go to the grid. So let's save that, and then let's just go and edit the grid so that the pagination appears. So by clicking on edit the grid, straight away it opens a new tab, and you can edit the grid view. So there's our grid, and there's our settings. And what we can do is head over to the layout, and what I'm going to do here is, let's just have a look and change the post per page here to 2. So let's save that, and now we'll just have the 2. That way we can test the results. So here we have our website, and I'm going to put in hood, and you'll see now that we had 4 results. Now we just have the 2. Load more applies it to the grid, and the next 2 load. Or if I go with logo, you'll see the load more shows, load more, and there we have the next 2 results loading. We can look at shirt, which was the t-shirts, and load more, and there we have the t-shirt. Not sure that there's anything that has more than 4 results, but you get the idea of how it works. Very simple, very easy. Right, well, that's how easy it is then to add the load more to your search results in this window. And if you have a lot of products, then it's very easy just to scroll through the results here and not to have another page load to have a look at the search results. So, right, I hope you enjoyed that video. Thank you for watching.